What you got there? Oh.
It's a grinder. So when we were here last, we backed into a wall. Not this wall, this is a fence. But we did this. So I'm basically just gonna cut it off because it's only a small section of it. I know it's probably gonna affect performance a little bit, but I'm gonna cut it off and then basically sand it down a little bit and then spray paint it. But I've never used this before. I've used them in the past, a long time ago. But I've got to figure out first, like, what angle am I gonna do this at? Needs to come all the way down here.
I feel like you should come from up because it's curved out.
Yeah, so like I don't want to come up towards me though.
Oh yeah, no, that would not be good.
Yeah. And the blade's going that way, so it does make sense to come up like this.
If you stand on this side of it, you can reposition and then kind of push away from yourself.
This thing's gonna throw sparks that way.
Like a pro. Not bad. That whole edge was hooked around towards me and he just sliced that baby right off.
I've never actually used one of these before, like I said, so I don't know if this is the right one. I will tell you one thing, any power tools, unplug it before you start messing with the attachments.
So that's for sanding metal, basically? You think?
It's for sanding.
Oh my god.
It's aluminum, so it should sand easy. Stretch the metal over here. I don't want to take too much more off though. I think that's good.
Do you not need to...
Don't touch that.
Oh, do you not need to like make that a straight line right there?
Well, I can't. I'd have to take too much off.
Yeah.
It bent the metal here. It pulled it. So I need to clean that and then spray paint just the bottom of it.
keep it easy.
It's gonna take some work, but I think it's gonna ultimately do the job.
Cool.
Yeah. So, we're new at the boat thing. We might be old at the boat thing here shortly, or getting rid of the boat thing. We'll see, but either way, like, subscribe, and share, and leave comments so we can tell us where we're going wrong.
But be nice.
Okay, well, you just watched our last boat video for various reasons. And we're going to get a lot more into that later, but we just wanted to say this is kind of a real-time update for that video because that was shot over probably a few weeks ago. Right now it's the middle of June 20th. And we've got some awesome adventures starting tomorrow and some pretty crazy things coming up. So, but we're going to show the build-up to that over the next few videos. So you're going to see all that. And we look at some RVs. We look at one in particular that is pretty interesting. And we look at some big fancy ones that we can't afford. And then we do some crazy stuff and it goes from there.
Yeah, I mean, we loved our boat. We loved having the boat. We loved taking it out on Tahoe, and we are definitely going to miss that. But it was just not in our plan going forward, and you'll see why in the next couple of videos. But the boat, we did end up having to sell it, even though we loved it.
Yeah, so if you want to follow us and see what we're going to do here in the future, we're heading over to, just a little taste, we're heading over to Monterey, California, and we got some fun things going on over there. There's national parks, there's racetracks, there's aquariums, there's seashores, there's all kinds of stuff.
Yep, that's fun.
And then some more travels after that. So
we will for sure be traveling. That's definitely happening.
That's right. So like, subscribe, and please share these out. Just hit the share button and you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, wherever you're going to go. And, you know, help us keep making these videos.
Yeah.